Welcome to Maggie Be Cooking, and here's another section of one of my favorite cookbooks, Busy Woman's Cookbook, 3 and 4 ingredient recipes. It has over 200 stories of famous women from our history. Some we know, some we may not know, but this is now, I've made it to the appetizers section, and I want to share a story with you. In 1969, Shirley Chisholm from Brooklyn, the first black woman in Congress, announced her intention to become the first black and female candidate for the presidency of the United States. In 1984, she founded the National Political Congress of Black Women, and this is during the time in 1924 where we are going into and may have our first female president. So these stories are so intentional right now for me to share. Here's another one. Mary Kay Ash started in door-to-door sales for the Child Psychology Bookshelf, and then Stanley Home Products. We all know Stanley. She took direct sales to a high level with her own company, Mary Kay Cosmetics, which she founded in 1969. The pink Cadillacs, driven by her top salespeople, were great incentives and popularized her products. And just think, she was a top salesman for Stanley. We have so many great women in history that we have no regard of who they are, why they are, who they became, the reason why they became these people. But I'm so thankful for this book, and especially this time right now to be able to share these stories with you all as I go scan through the chapters and try to figure out a couple of recipes, and maybe make a couple videos. We'll see. But don't forget, take your screenshots of all the recipes. There's some great recipes in this book, as well as the stories. I'm taking a little bit longer for this appetizer section because the stories are so phenomenal in this section, and the recipes, oh my goodness. If you're getting ready to do Super Bowl, holidays, Thanksgiving coming up, you have Christmas coming up, and you need a couple appetizers, this is a great section. Make sure you take your screenshots. And again, thank you for your time, and you're welcome.